see, and this is not a trick question, I think the answer is obvious. The quicker you get to a crime scene, the better you're going to be able to investigate it and process it, right?
Absolutely.
All right. And the Bureau did not get to the crime scene in Benghazi for how long?
I think 2 weeks.
And why did the Bureau not get to the crime scene in Benghazi for 2 weeks?
There were a number of factors. And the first one relates to the state of security in Benghazi. There was no security.
All right. I want to just stop you there because I want to ask one more question and my time is out. I am asked all the time back home in South Carolina, if Benghazi was not safe enough for the premier law enforcement agency in the world to go, how was it safe enough for us to send diplomats?
It's another question that is not in my bailiwick. I understand the question's being asked. It's a rhetorical question.
It's rhetorical unless you know the answer. I can't answer it. I don't know.
All I'm saying is rhetorical or not, I can't answer it.
It is a